Meet the new GAMDIAS ATLAS P6 CG. Panoramic glass and balanced airflow. Ample room for high-end builds. Let us review it.
Hey everybody, how are you? Good morning, because it's always morning when I do this stuff. Welcome back to Sneaks and Geeks. It's been a while where we got some stuff going on. I really want to show my appreciation for a company who I follow. So I got an email from GAMDIAS. They reached out to me and said, hey, we're coming out with a new case, and would you like to do what you do? Which means they saw what I did. And I was like, me? Little channel? Me? So I was like, yeah. And then they sent me a picture of the prototype. I was like, sure. I am beyond grateful, honestly. Like, this is big for a small channel. Like, to have a company of that size look at us, say, hey, hey, they're doing something. Let's try them out. So what I'm about to show you is brand new. Just came out. It is their new Atlas P6 CG. It is unopened, and I am beyond excited to show you. So we're gonna unbox it together. GAMDIAS. Thank you. Let's take a look. You don't need to see my face. I am stoked to be doing this. So this is the first company who sent us a computer case, and what a case it is, based on the prototype. And I've only seen one video of it so far. I couldn't have been happier because it just looks tremendous. And you will understand why once I take it out of the case. It's heavier than I expected. Okay. Ooh, not your usual. This is the squishy, the good stuff. The Atlas P6 CG, and normally I would, but it's on the side and it's stuck, so I can't do the and rip it off, which I don't want to, and I'll show you why, because it's kind of delicate under. What is going on under here? Ah, stuck on the foot. There you go. Oh boy. And oh my. Buckle up. Oh, how good does that look? If you can't see, and we'll get close-ups, that, we'll take it off. That's a stage, that's a spotlight. And knowing what we do here, that opens up a lot of, there's a lot of ideas going on in my head. Measurements. It's 432 millimeter by 285 in width. It's, the height is 465. Motherboard support, everything except the ATX. Also supports BTF, and I could tell you no two ways about it. We're BTFing. That sounds, well, keep it clean, people. GPU clearance, 425. Adjustable GPU support bracket, thank you. If we throw a heavy card in there, we might. Cooler, if you're gonna air cool, 165. Excuse me. Good wrap at Pino's Pizza tonight, Woodbridge, if you're in the neighborhood. Power supply, ATX up to 200 millimeter. The spotlight, rotatable. I have not taken this apart yet. I see one thumb screw, one in the back. I also see a pull tab, because if you're not paying attention, this is one piece of glass, and the back, so you're looking at about 270 degrees, if I'm not mistaken. And the reason for that is might be some tape here. Oh, no, it's not. So you can change out your figurine. Well, isn't that dandy? I'm excited. I'm also excited about what I may put in there. As far as putting it back, let's see. Oh, there's two hooks. Hook. Push. Comes with 3 reverse 120s on the bottom and a 120 in the rear. GPU clearance, 425. A lot of people are gonna buy this case. I looked at the price tag, a showcase. not showcase, showcase, it's extremely reasonable. Now, I know, RAM, storage, moment of silence, I know. Oh, top panel and the bottom have a built-in RGB strips. Now the top, uniquely, which you pull, the RGB is built into the top, and there are pogo pins, see, right there. So once you pop the top on, it direct connects, and there's your RGB. Hence, this top piece is very, very solid. So we will be very delicate when we put it down, okay? And since you already saw, we'll pull the back glass out and move it out of the way. I see a little instruction manual down there. Like I said, there is one support little thumb screw here, which we'll pull out. And like I said, 270 degrees of glass. You have a magnetic dust filter, but then one side of it, the vent, it's already pre-cut and vented. What do you see? Well, I could tell you, you see a lot of build space. Remember that term? Build space, yes. If you want to put some drives in here, the drive cage has, is it just the one screw? Looks like just, there's two screws here, and you can pop the drive cage out, which gets me back to, if you have some extra storage, I may throw a 3.5 in there. I have a couple laying around for some back storage maybe. The box is there, inside there is the box with all the screws and everything. More importantly, what else do you see? What else do you see? Built-in RGB hub. Now, like I said, we're looking at, what, 2 3.5 inch, basically a combination of 3 drives total, 90 millimeters of routing depth with some integrated Velcro straps, a really good amount of depth. Your power supply will not be on the bottom, it will be here because of the way everything is. So get a good look. We're gonna liquid cool it. It's just really nice. Front glass. Let's turn you around. Now the front glass, I see 3 screws. So let's take care of that, shall we? Okay. Number 2 and number 3. And I don't blame, now you know me, I'm all about, you know, easy and easy to build in. Wraparound glass, yeah, you need screws. Tilt forward and pull it out. And yikes, it's this is thick, heavy, nice, very nice. Let's get that out of the way. Light, rigidity, nice. Not too flexible. You know how sometimes when it comes off, it's a little flexible. This is nice. A little manual. Hello. Here's our 3 reverse. I'm the worst spinner. Oh, cool. Oh, the wire's in the way. Get out of there. GAMDIAS. Whoo! Hey, guys. Home run. Home run for the money. Spotlight. Movable. Stage. Access. So you get an idea of depth. Here's your depth for wiring. It's good. And if you do not take advantage of the drive cages here, you know what? Let's pop that out. I really got to get an eye exam. It's so bad. Okay, out. We got our little box, which we will take a look at. This is such a nice case. Oh, I can't wait. Your drive cage is one solid piece. Very cool. Your box has, it's taped. Oopsie. What's inside the, what's in the box? Yes, it never gets old. Not a lot. Zip ties, screws, standoffs. There's your little screw, your GPU support bracket. Where's the adjustment? So there's an adjustment here. That's tight. There's a thumb screw here. It looks like you can turn. So a thumb screw back here, and then you could raise it to however you want, and then you could turn this in if it's a shorter GPU. Like I said, GPU support up to 420. I'm sorry. Front IO. There you go. You got your power. You got 2 USB, looks like 3.1. You got a USB-C. You got power, you got a reset, and you got your RGB because your built-in RGB hub, which if you didn't see again, I will show. There you go. And obviously when we're building, you'll see the close-ups of more everything. You do need to know the dimensions when we're unboxing. You need to know what you could fit in there. I do like, obviously, that it's rear connect, back connect, Project Zero, all that stuff. I do like the fact that most of the cases now are doing that. But I also, respectfully, I love different color cable extensions and RGB extensions and things like that as well. So with back connect, again, huge fan, love, absolutely, and I have it in my own. So Atlas P6 CG, again, I do that a lot. Bravo, GAMDIAS, and thank you, because I have a plan for this. I really have a plan for this, which I'm not telling you, but you're gonna like it. You're gonna like it. Let's put the case back together because I do have a bonus. So let's put this back. 3 bottom lips on, press, and screw. That's pretty much it for that part. So nice. Glass, heavy. There are, sorry, getting used to this new camera thing. You have lips on the bottom here, little hooks. So you're gonna hook it in, line it up, come forward, and it will sit. And there's your 3 screws. Top, careful, by the way, this isn't your standard top. Remember, you got pogo pins there. So be very careful when putting it on. There we go. And like I said, with the back glass, so you can swap out figurines. Again, lip, there's a little pull tab, push in, a little 360. I guess I should get one of those, I hate this term, lazy Susan. Was Susan lazy? What? Somebody put, where's that? I don't know what I call. I'm not going to Google it. You guys do it. You tell me what it is. I don't know. Now, bonus. Not a bonus for me. Them. Stand by. They sent another box. Huh. Red Devil. Gentlemen, ladies, GAMDIAS. Upside down. I like bonuses. Bubble. Ah, there we go. Nice. Get out of here. Chione P5 AIO LCD screen. P5 360. That's obviously 360 millimeter. Radiator 27 millimeters deep. Standard. 3.4-inch LCD screen, nice size, which you can customize using their ZeusCast software, which we will do. Obviously, you can monitor your temps and load up your own, custom GIFs and logos and things like that. Which, side note, Paul's Hardware. Again, not trying to. I watch Paul's Hardware. I like Paul. Seems like a nice guy. I bought his shirt for. His shirts do not cost a lot of money. They're, I think it was 12 or 14, whatever it was. It was under $15. This material is stellar, soft, so soft. So this is the Chione P5 360. Comes with 3 120 millimeter fans. The radiator dimension is 396 by 120 by 27. Pump speed runs at 2,700 RPMs. Copper cold plate, 0.12 millimeter microflow channel. Comes with the 3 120 hydraulic PWM RGB fans. They're 25 millimeters thick. Again, standard stuff here. Airflow between, like I said, 400 and 200. Static pressure 3.15. The display, rotatable, magnetic. So your logo, if you want to put whatever you want to put on there, it's always upright. Hidden cable routing and 30 programmed ARGB lighting effects, which will tie into the P6's GB. And obviously socket support, LGA 1700, 1851, AM4, AM5. Let's bring you back in. Star of the show. No, I'm not peeling it yet. GAMDIAS. This is so nice. Thank you. Seriously. We hope to do more of these. I saw some other cases I like from you guys too. Don't get it twisted. I'll be reaching out. But wait till you see what we're doing with this. Who's going to be on stage? As always, if you've never been here, we're a new channel. We are functional art meets wearable art. So to wrap up, GAMDIAS, thank you. Really, sincerely. I don't know what to say, thank you. For you to reach out to me and send this Atlas P6 CG, what a case. What a great case for the money. What a great budget-friendly case for the money. And when I say budget-friendly, I know there's less expensive cases out there. There is. But they don't have 270 degrees of glass. They don't have a stage with a spotlight. I'll take this off again. Carefully. They don't have built-in RGB into the roof, right? Right? This is going to look tremendous. And I can't wait for you to see what we do. The stage, we'll see. We're working on it. You know what happens. Somebody's gonna show up. Could be anyone. Atlas P6 CG, GAMDIAS, Chione P5, AIO. Let's go. Let's go. I can't wait to show you what I'm doing with this. It's gonna be awesome. Sneaks and Geeks, like, subscribe, please comment, goof on me, whatever. Keep it clean, people. You know the deal. What's in the box? Yeah, you know. We'll see you soon.
See you soon!